Good morning children, hope you all are doing well. Yes children, in last class we completed the degrees of comparison, right? We learned degrees of comparison. Yeah, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, right? We saw few sentences how you can convert one form of degree into another form of degree. Yes. So in page number 47, now look at the following sentence in the superlative degree of comparison. Puru is one of the bravest kings in the world. This sentence means that there are a few kings in the world who are as brave as Puru. It also means that Puru is not only the bravest king in the world. Let's see how the above sentence can be transformed into comparative and positive degrees of comparison. Okay. See, Puru is one of the bravest kings in the sense many bravest kings are there, but still Puru is one of them. We are saying by using this superlative comparison. Superlative degree. Yes. Next, we'll see how it is converted in comparative and how it is converted in positive. Puru is braver than many other or most other kings in the world. Yes, this is how we compare. We convert superlative sentence into the comparative sentence. Very few kings in the world are as brave as Puru. Though the degree changes here, the meaning does not change here. Yes, children? Yes. Now there are some comparison forms of adjectives. See this? Nice, nicer, nicest. Short, shortest, shortest. Big, bigger, biggest. Great, greater, greatest. Fast, faster, fastest. Worthy, worthier, worthiest. Frightened, more frightened, most frightened. Lawful, more lawful, most lawful. Yes, children? So, next. Change the following sentences into other forms of comparison as indicated in brackets. Yes. So, let us work on this, children. Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. Yes. How do you compare? How do you change this superlative degree? Yes. This is given in superlative form. Yes. Greatest. Now we need to convert that into comparison form. Comparative degree. How do you do that? Yes. Rahul Dravid is greater than. Tell me. Yes. Rahul Dravid is greater than many of the batsmen in the world. Yes or no? Yes. I will write here. Rahul Dravid is greater than many other batsmen in the world. Yes? Yes. Greater. It is in comparative form. Yes? Now second sentence. Alexander was the greatest soldier in the world. Yes, here what it is telling, only the Alexander was the greatest soldier. Yes. Now we need to convert this sentence into positive. How do you convert, children? Yes, you can convert. No other soldier was as great as Alexander in the world. Yes, no other soldier was as great as Alexander Yes, tell me. Nia is faster developing country. One minute. I want you people to say to do this answer. I'll check in the Zoom class. Okay. I'll check. Really, I'll check. I'm going to check. Okay, you need to say this answer for me. Now let us enter into another super. So we see with the compare how to change to comparative, right? We saw how to change to positive. Now we see how we need to change one to superlative. Okay. See, okay. Fourth one it is superlative. No other river in the world is so long as the Nile. How do you say in the superlative form? Nile is the longest river in the world. Yes, Nile is the longest river in the world. This is how we convert positive sentence into superlative. Yeah, you see ninth one. Ninth one it is given in comparative, right? So now we need to convert the comparative into superlative. How do you convert? Ninth one. Shimla is colder than all other hill stations in the Himachal Pradesh. How do you write? Yes. Shimla is the coldest hill stations. Coldest hill station in the Himachal Pradesh. Yes or no? In the Himachal Pradesh. Yes. How the positive is converted into superlative. How the comparative is converted into superlative. We saw two. Yes. So look at seventh one. Rekha is one of the most beautiful girls in the class. Just tell me in which degree it is? Yes, it is in superlative degree. Now we need to convert that into positive degree. How will you convert? No other girl is as beautiful as Rekha. No other girl in the class. Okay? No other girl in the class is as beautiful as Rekha. This is how we convert positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, superlative to positive. Okay? Hope you all understood. You need to complete this remaining bits. Okay, children? Nothing easy. I already told you 5. You need to complete only 5 for you. Homework only 5 for you. Okay. This is what? Degrees of comparison. Next, writing part. I already told you this whole class. Yes? Now, study skills. There are many words which can function as more than one part of speech. For instance, talk can be used as a verb as well as a noun. She talks at length about her dress. Her talk is boring. See, in first case, talk is used as verb in the sense of doing. She is doing. She will talk more about her dress. Here we are she is describing her dress by, yes, she's by talking. So here an action is done. So it is said to be verb there. In next sentence, her talk is boring. Yeah, it is used as noun. How we can say talk is noun here? Because if you want to describe about anything, describing about So what we say? Here a talk is a noun. Yes, we are talking about talk here. Yeah, her talk is boring. How is her talk? It is boring. Yes, we are describing about her talk. That is why that is said with noun there. Refer to your dictionary and say whether the following words can be used as different parts of speech like a noun, a verb, an adjective, etc. The first one is done for you. So, once you read these words, okay? 1 second you read these words. Okay, now you all need to open your dictionary and you read these words. Okay, then we having 2-3 meanings over there. Okay, after the Greek meaning, there is a bracket there, right? Whether it is used as noun, whether it is used as verb, whether it is used as adjective. So, I want you people to do this work. Okay, this is also a small exercise for you. Okay, don't be so burdened to write these all things. Okay, I'll tell you the answers. You don't worry. But I need you people to do because you are in the 7th standard, right? So open your dictionary, search the meaning. There you will find whether it is used as noun, whether it is used as verb, whether it is used as adjective. Okay, children. So that's all for today. Hope everything is clear for you. Yes, I need everyone to complete their work. You have lot of time. Yes, you have 4-5 days to complete your work. So no problem. In next class, we will go with the poem. Home they brought. Yeah, what is the poem? Yes, home they brought her warrior dead. Yeah, this is one emotional poem we are going to see in the next class. Thank you, children.